So what inspired you guys to invest in your outdoor living space?
Okay. Number one, I wanted to be able to see the kids in the pool without needing a lifeguard chair. Because I could never see them. Number one. Number two, I wanted my mom to be able to go in the pool. And number three, we love hanging out in our yard. And since we've had the deck, we've had more people over than I think in the 10 years we've been here.
Nice.
Yeah, I think to Christina's point, same thing. One of the biggest things is entertainment. It's great. It's a little bit better than the patio space. The patio is hard to see the kids when you're looking up into the pool. The deck makes it great. You know, you're on the deck. You can entertain. You can watch. You can talk. You can have that. And the biggest thing was what she said. Her mother. It was hard. We had a wobbly old ladder that you would use to get in and out of the pool. And it was getting to the point where she wouldn't even go into the pool anymore because it was difficult. Let me tell you, she's praised you a lot.
So oh yeah,
she loves your deck. She loves your deck now. So makes it a lot easier for the family to come over and entertain. So yeah, that's a good thing about it. Yeah.
But even aside